Hi, I'm Yogi.
Hi, I'm Steve.
Well, what we're going to go do here is to convert a webcam. This is a cheap Logitech webcam, and I'm going to use it for astrophotography, planetary, most likely lunar, and since this is such a poor quality, and just for proof of concept and to start learning how to do it. So later on, when I make a better, new, improved, high definition, it'll be a much better product here. But to get started, you take a webcam. There's usually one screw on these things. And you take it apart like this with a jeweler's screwdriver. You open up very carefully. Be very careful. Try not to touch the actual electronics and always hold it by the sides. Electrostatic electricity is not your friend. And so what you do is you take this lens cap off. Let me put this over here so it doesn't touch the metal and just cause the circuit to pop up, or blow. And what do you call it is you notice that when you have a lens on a webcam, you can't take it out. Well, that's because there's a little lip here. And what I done here earlier is grind this down. So this way, if I want to put this back in and use it as a webcam or use it for astrophotography, I can do that. And that'd be a very easy thing to do. Now the reason why is why take this off? Well, there'd be too much magnification. It would be very hard to focus. And one thing you don't want in there is that infrared filter, which is built into the lens system or between the lens system. And don't ever touch the window that's on top. That's an optical window. So now that we removed this, we're ready to put the camera back on again. I'm going to go ahead and just use this as a demonstration because I don't want to touch this very much until I'm ready to do this. Let's say this is the camera. You already done the job. You can take a 35 millimeter film canister holder and you can mount it on either the lens you took out on the side here, knock the lenses out. That will work real good. Oh, sorry about that. And then, or you can take this was a 1 1/4 inch eyepiece converter that was used for a T-mount for an SLR film camera, which you can't hardly buy film anymore. So here I am going to mount it here, and the idea is to get it aligned. I'm going to use this tape here, as you can see here, and this is just a real quick to do a test. And you can put tape all the way around it, and once you get it aligned, kind of draw it with pencil so you know how it's centered. And give it a try tonight. And if it works out real good and you're happy with it, and then you can go later tomorrow and you can actually bead around here with silicone cement. And what do you call it? This is how you can convert a reel inexpensively in astrophotography, imaging for the moon and possibly for the planets, depending upon the quality of the kind of camera you're using. So I hope this is able to help you.